Okay, das erste ist einfach
so Song-Workout, also 3 Minuten Ad-Workout.
Okay.
Und danach machen wir ein Full-Body-Workout.
Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to another Asia vlog. Right now we're walking to the scooter rental place to rent a scooter, and then we're gonna go to a temple. I don't know how it's called, but to this like white Buddha temple, and then we're probably gonna go to the Pi Canyon and then come back. It is so loud right now. It is 7 AM right now and we're going to the hot springs. We woke up at 6:30 to be there early, but first I'm gonna eat my dragon fruit. Okay, we made it to the hot springs and there's no one, and that's great, but the way down here was so horrible with the scooter. I'm pretty sure we could have died, and I'm not sure if we'll make it back because the hills are so... Yes, exactly. And our scooters cannot go up there. But yeah, so we are 4 today because Lynn joined us, so that's...
Yeah!
Yay! So that's great. So we are back now from the hot springs. Actually, we've been back for like an hour and a half. I don't really know, but it was very nice that we spent most of the time alone there. I think there was like 2 times like 3 people, but they left pretty quick, so we had the hot springs to ourselves. And now I'm trying to organize my backpack again because I'm the only messy one here out of 10 people, which is not a good sign. And I also need to do laundry, so I'm sorting everything out. Also salzig finde ich, glaube ich, richtig eklig.
Ich kenne die Nase nicht.
Seaweed ist Seetang. Algen.
Spaß.
Weil ich hab, walking now into the center to go and eat, and Lynn joined us again, but it's our last evening together because we're leaving tomorrow, so it's our last time like actually going out with her, which is very sad. Also, I didn't show you, but I bought new earrings and you probably can't see, and a new necklace that you probably also can't see, and rings. So I spent a little bit too much money yesterday, and I also bought a book today. I showed you that. Even though I didn't want to buy a book because I don't want to carry the weight around, but I miss books so much because Kindle is just not the same. She can relate, but she didn't buy a book. She's being responsible, not as I am. But I'm so excited to finally have a book again and to read like on real paper. So I'm so excited to finally read a book again and to hold like a real book in my hands and have like the paper and yes.
Haben wollte. Jetzt lass mich zufrieden. Ich möchte meine Waffel. Das ist so richtig lustig. Das ist total lustig. Wicked drowning water.
He'll be helping you set it up, okay? When I see a cloud, I forget what it's all about. Scooby-Doo-Doo, 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 Scooby-Doo-Doo.
Back in Chiang Mai for about 4 nights. I'm not quite sure. Tomorrow we're going to a cooking class, which I'm very excited about because I miss cooking so much and I cannot wait to like learn to make like Thai dishes. And we're right now in our new hostel, which is called Bed Bike, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, our room. I think we are with 12 people in the room. I hope no one's here right now, but I'm not sure. So this is the room, so everyone has their own bed, and we have lockers. Nothing special, but it'll do for like 3 nights.
Well, wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water, wicked drowning water. We're not gonna wait, not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess.
So today we're doing a cooking class. We were at the markets right now and she explained like what kind of ingredients we need and how you can tell like which ones are good and which ones are not so good. And I absolutely love the market. So we've been to a lot of markets here in Thailand, but not really to like a really local one. And they have so many fresh fruits and vegetables, and it was amazing. And I wish I would like have a market like that near my house because I can cook so much good food with all those ingredients. And I bought some chili paste because it was very cheap, and I love curry, so I'm gonna make some at home. I have finally time to tell you about the cooking class yesterday. Let me quickly see if someone is behind that bed. No, okay, so I can put my camera there. It would be so weird if someone was there. I can finally tell you about the cooking class yesterday, because yesterday evening there were still people in this room, so I didn't want to talk to the camera. Big surprise, I know. Anyways, I absolutely loved the cooking class. We were around 20 people, and at first I thought that was a little bit too much, but everyone was so nice and open to our conversation and just sharing their experiences, and it went past the "where are you from, where are you going" questions, which you're gonna ask a lot if you're traveling. And also the food was amazing. So yeah, overall I think, oh my god, the bed is not holding up with me. Overall I think this might have been one of my favorite days in Thailand. And now we're going to a cafe probably. I'm trying to draw a little bit and maybe write in my travel diary. And then tonight is, so the next few days, like Loy Krathong and Yi Peng Festival are starting and going on. It's a little bit confusing. We don't really know what's happening today, what's happening tomorrow, what is happening when and where. We hope we'll figure that out at the right time so that we don't miss anything. But yeah, that's basically the vague plan for today.